Hi, it's Sarah. Me and Chelsea are prank calling Robbie Mitchell. Okay, hold on. Okay? Okay?
Yep.
Okay, you ready? Ready?
Yep.
And they're trying to shove the plugs down my throat.
Who is this?
Alicia.
Okay, where do you live? Get your ass over here! Put these plugs down your throat!
Get away from me!
Here!
Help!
Who is this? Alicia, where are you?
I'm on the south side.
How'd you get my number?
I just dialed the randomest number, and you know. Get away from me! Help me! Help! Hello?
Where are you?
On the south side.
Okay, that's nice. Where?
What?
Where on the south side?
I don't know. I'm in a parking lot.
Over here!
He's gonna. I have to go. He's threatening me.
Hey, why'd you phone me from a private number?
Because my cell phone's a private number.
Yep. So what's happening? They're feeding you dogs.
He's a murderer.
Murderer. Okay, Why did I tell you, Alicia?
He's trying to pay me a pass.
Do you need my help?
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you?
Hello. Hello.
Hello?
Hi. I hung up because I figured that the police could be monitoring his line. Right?
Yeah.
Were we talking to him over in a minute?